Grasp the bird's tail right, movement number 8. Grasp the bird's tail right, movement number 8. Shift back. Turn to the right, inward pivot. Shift to the left, hold the ball, facing towards the right side, left hand is on top. Step out with the right foot. Shift, lift. Turn counterclockwise. Press. Shift back and pull. Shift forward, relax the hands, up about shoulder level. Left hand on the right wrist. Separate, shift back, press down, hands in a triangle, lift up, shift forward and press. Shift back, turn inward pivot. Shift, hold the ball. Right foot out. Shift, lift up. Circle and press. Shift back and pull. Shift forward, hands raise up. Left hand on the wrist. Press. Shift back, press down. Lift up. Palms are upward. Shift forward. Double press, weights in the front. Shift back, inward pivot. Shift, hold the ball. Step out, shift forward, lift. Circular, press down. Shift back, pull. Shift forward, hands raise up. Turn, left hand on the right wrist. Press and separate. Shift back, press down. Lift up, shift forward and press.